Hi, this is Rita and welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to customize and edit your theme in WordPress. This is my theme. uh, okay, so this is my theme, and if you don't know how I select this theme, watch my previous video how to select a theme and you will know I didn't do anything. The customization, the themes, the all the effects are already created in this theme, and it is a wonderful theme. So if you don't know how to get this type of theme, must check my previous videos so you will know. Okay, and I'll also give the link of that video in my I also give the link in the description, so check out from that, and also check from the channel. So let's start. Here you can see this is my website, and you see the some option here, that is the website dashboard option, edit site. From here you can edit your first home page. Okay, and this one is customized, and from here you can add new post, media pages, user, and whatever you want to add. So let's start from the customize. For example, I click on customize. It totally depends on your theme, what type of your theme. So what can you customize and what can you edit. For example, from this side you can customize your select logo. For example, this logo is a site logo. You can select. Okay, and you can see that you can add a logo from here according to your choice. From here you can add the site title and tagline, and from here you can select the site icon for your website. Okay, as you can see, the site icon is appear here, and after that just click on publish and it will be published. And next, from here you can do some home page setting, that is your latest page or static page, and you can select from here. Okay, what thing you want to change in, totally your choice. Okay, and if you want to any additional css you can do here. I don't think so this site is needed. So if you want to change your theme, just click on change, and from here you can select the theme. If you want to change in customize in this theme, you can do this type of things, and you can also preview in mobile view and in a tablet view and whatever view you want. Okay, so now just click on edit site. As you click on edit site, you will go on. Okay, this is an WordPress beta editor, that is very good editor. You don't need to download any plugin to edit the or customize the website. This one is very good editor, that is WordPress provided. I totally provide all chunks video about detail in detail about this, so you can check out done by done my all videos and you will know how to edit all the things, the buttons, the how to customize, how to add, delete, A to Z, everything. I already make detailed videos on all things. Okay, from here you can see you can customize. Okay, this one is a header. You can customize the header, and you can in this side you can change the template things, header, footer, and whatever you want. Okay, and from this section you can just and from here you can see the home and whatever you want to see. You can uh, select or you can change whatever you want. Here is a setting, you can do setting whatever you want, and from here you can uh, from here you can change the totally color of your theme. From here the button color, the heading color, the link color, the text color. Okay, you can see what color provided. If you want to change the color, you can change. You can redesign the layouts according to your choice. You can do the blogs changing, whatever you want, you can totally do the changes from here. And from here you can do any style changes, any setting changing, and export things, anything you want to do that you can do. Okay, and from view you can preview the view in view side, mobile, tablet, and whichever mode you want to do you can do. Okay, so this is our how we can edit our theme. This is very simple. And from here if you from here if you click on new, you can add a new post. By selecting on post you can add a media if you want to add the media, as you can see that. And from here you can add a media, pages, user, wp form, anything you want to add you can add according to your choice. So this is how you can edit your theme if you want. I already told you, I explain and upload all detailed videos about this, so you can check 10 by 10 and you can do the what website according to your choice. So this is how it's work. If you have any current question, ask me in comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Take care.